Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to do the presentation of the result of our research. The title of this article is Physical Parameter of Used Cooking Oil Clearance Quality based on active charcoal temperature. This research was carried out by two of us, namely I myself, Dewi Oktova, and Iwan Suswandi as member of the researcher. This research is based on different perspectives on the result of used cooking oil purification. Oil purification is a common method used by the community to reuse used cooking oil. Generally, it was carried out by precipitation and the use of adsorbent. The color change in cooking oil is seen as an indicator that used cooking oil is safe to the reuse. In the adsorption process, not all adsorbent can restore the quality of cooking oil. Active charcoal is one of the effective adsorbents used for the purification process. For increase the adsorption capability, effective charcoal was heated. The result of purification must be meet the criteria of the quality standard of cooking oil SNI number 3541 of 2013, so that used cooking oil is safe to reuse. This research method. The sample of this research is used cooking oil which is purified with active charcoal. Used cooking oil is obtained with the technique of 3 times of discontinuously use. The purification was done by using adsorbent method. Active charcoal was heated for 30 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, and 90 degrees Celsius. The mass of effective charcoal in purification process is 30% of the mass of used cooking oil. Used cooking oil is allowed to stand for 24 before filtering. The color test was carried by the organoleptic method using the scent of the site. The principle of the ratio of mass to volume is used in the density test. The oven method with the principle of losing weight at 105 degrees Celsius was used to test the moisture content. The refraction index test used the principle of parallel pane glass refraction. All data was analyzed descriptively, referring to the quality standard of cooking oil, namely SNI number 3741 of 2013. The result of research. The purification of used cooking oil with active charcoal at 19 degrees Celsius has a significant color change compared to active charcoal at room temperature. The heating produces a difference in potential energy on the surface of the active charcoal and dye. The surface attraction of active charcoal against the adsorbent increases. The density value obtained from the result of this study was smaller than the standard prerequisite value for cooking oil quality, which was 0.900 grams per cc. Heating active charcoal at a temperature of 90 degrees Celsius made the active charcoal surface able to attract more strongly dissolved substances in oil contaminants. The tensile force that held contaminants in the oil solution was smaller than the surface tension of active charcoal. Contaminants entered the pores of the active charcoal and accumulated in it more, so that the density of used cooking oil becomes small. The use of active charcoal adsorbent at room temperature for purification resulted in water content less than 0.2%, namely 0.196 plus minus 0.101%. Heating caused the active charcoal to dehydrate water molecule. The pores of active charcoal adsorb more water content. The use of active charcoal temperature at room temperature 40 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, and 90 degrees Celsius in the purification process produce water content that meet the prerequisite of cooking oil quality. The refraction index of the oil decreased with increased temperature of the active charcoal adsorbent. Light is refracted at angle of refraction away from the normal. Use cooking oil which has a small refractive index. There will be a small bending of light in the medium. Conclusion of this research. The purification of used cooking oil with active charcoal as an adsorbent at temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius can change the color of the oil and reduce the value of density, moisture content, and refraction index. The physical parameters of the quality of used cooking oil purification with active charcoal at temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, and 19 degrees Celsius that meet the quality prerequisite for cooking oil based on SNI number 3741 of 2013 are color and water content. I think that's all my presentation. I say thanks for your attention.